been formed. Understood? And then which are the two war has been taken place during the war in Hastings? First Anglo-Maratha War, that is 1778 to 85. And another one we have seen, I said that Second Anglo-Mysore War 1782-84. Understood it? Understood it? ये सारे फैक्ट्स आप एक बार नहीं सुनोगे, कई बार सुनोगे. ये जो फैक्ट्स मैं लिखा हूं, when this facts, ये आपके स्टोरी के फॉर्म में भी आएगा when I'll do constitutional development of India. Understood it? And when I'll do the different Marathas war again, it will come. But it is happening during the period of it, and he is the boss. And everything is happening under the boss of this. Understood? So what happened in the what has been happened during the period of war in Hastings? The first it has been happened, like I said, that he became the Governor General of Bengal as per the Regulating Act 1773. And in this one, he tried to remove the dual system and the corruption of what is existing in East India Company. And he has taken the loan also to usko. And then Supreme Court at Kolkata has been formed. Supreme Court at Kolkata, Fort William. And then Governor General has then 4 Executive Council members, and they have a veto power. And then, but the Governor General of Bengal has given more power than the Governor of Madras and Governor of Bombay. So he was a presiding officer over what is I said that Governor Madras Presidency and which presidency? Bombay Presidency. And 1784 in his period, last there is what? Again reform in the constitution, and it has been given. I said that 1784 Fits India Act, and through this it has been mentioned that veto power has been removed, and now that it is not able to control. And क्योंकि यहाँ पर कौन था? CDs, Court of Directors are doing. Now they said that everything will be checked by whom? Board of Control. Understood it? So it has been made. Shall I remove this? And then first Anglo-Maratha War 1778 to 85, and second Anglo-Mysore War 80 to 84. And during this period itself, I said that Hyder Ali died in 1782. War के बीच में ही Hyder Ali died, and power come under what? Mysore power come under Tipu Sultan. Hyder Ali has been died in 1782. Understood? Hyder Ali has been died, and so in which war Hyder Ali has been died? The father of Tipu Sultan. First, second, third, and fourth. Second Anglo-Mysore War. Second Anglo-Mysore War. ये सब छोटे छोटे फैक्ट्स इस तरीके से दिमाग में स्टोर करके रखेंगे, because it will come here and there, and then it will help you to what? Analyze the things. So which was the period? Yes, tell me. 1773 to 1785. Now 1785 to 86, one Governor General is there, and his name is John Macpherson, and he was corrupt, and then in 1 year he left. So nothing to tell about him. Sir John Macpherson. Understood? For only 1 year, or generally I never discuss, but here it is I am saying, who is there? Sir John Macpherson. After the whom? War in Hastings. Understood? Next. So what are the period I said that, Danny? 1773 to 1785. 1785 to 1786. And first it is in a war in Hastings, second one is in a Sir John Macpherson. Sir John. Now, जॉन इब्राहिम अब क्या खा रहा है? कॉर्न खा रहा है. कॉर्न समझते हैं? कॉर्न. 1786 to 1793, and this is, I said that there is a Governor General of India is, I said that Cornwallis. 1786 to 1793, the Governor General of Bengal became who? Cornwallis. And when he saw नाउ अब ये आया है तो इसके पास पावर है. He has a veto, yes or not? He has a what power? Veto power. And then he can. तो इसने क्या क्या रिफॉर्म किया? He is very famous for doing administrative reform. He is very good at doing what? Administrative reforms. Several administrative reforms he has done. Understood? Understood? Clear? And means there should be a daroga, there should be a collector, several places. And at the same time, he has done judicial reform. He did what? Judicial reform. And he is famous for this. And therefore he has given the law, and for running the, which one I said that? For law for civil subject, and then criminal subject. So he has made the law, therefore he is famous for Cornwallis Code. He is famous for what I said that? Cornwallis Code. Cornwallis Code. लेकिन जब ये लैंग्वेज जो होता था और डिफरेंट लेवल पर कौन कौन होंगे, who will, I said that दीवानी अदालत, and then there is an, I said that district level पर there will be, what is it, district level अदालत, there will be different kind of what is in a form that will do later on, but we have to see Cornwallis Code has been given, and क्या बोल रहा था, and it is in the Persian language. In which language? And then Sanskrit, but later on it has been during the, I said that during period of William Bentinck, it has been made in the vernacular, means local language. जो वहाँ पे होगा, vernacular language has been utilized. So what we have seen, judicial reform, and for his judicial reform he is famous for, I said that, Cornwallis Code. Can you remember? He is famous for which? Cornwallis Code. Another point we'll see, another point that we will see, like I said during the period of it, which war has been taken place? During the period of Cornwallis, which war took place? Huh? Third Anglo-Mysore War. Which Anglo-Mysore War? और ये कब हुआ था? 1792. First it is in 1767. Second Anglo-Mysore War it is in 82-84. 1782-84. जो अभी आपने देखा Warren Hastings period. And Cornwallis, which war? Just tell me. Third Anglo-Mysore War. Understood? So in his period, I said that Third Anglo-Mysore War. Which war has been taken place? That is from the which time? 1792. And then it has been finished with the Treaty of Srirangapatnam. And it is in what greatest humiliation Tipu Sultan has faced in his life. And it will be in the question, the greatest ruler of South India, Tipu Sultan, is crawling on the floor in front of British Empire, who has dreamed for united and independent India. Justify this statement. तो इसके बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे कि द ग्रेटेस्ट रूलर टिपू सुल्तान, जिसने उस समय के पीरियड में, जो कि इंडिया के बारे में नो बडी इज थिंकिंग, एवरी इज थिंकिंग अबाउट देयर व्हाट इज one regional aspect, and that time this person has thought, like I said, that united India and then freedom of India from the what? British. Understood? And he has a very good relation with the French. He had a very good relation with the French, and he has made a Dindigul, there is an arms and ammunition factory is there. He is a very much scientific person. In his library there is lots of books. So his knowledge is outstanding. His knowledge is philosophically, scientifically, technically, and everything. He was very much. And during his period in Karnataka, agricultural production at its height. Agricultural production at its height. Third Anglo-Mysore War, and that it has been taken place during this. Another thing has been happened, you know that during his period itself, 1793 Charter Act. Charter Act का मतलब है it is a legal document क्या आया यहाँ पर? Legal document under which the rule under which क्या होगा? East India Company to work. Yes or not? Charter Act. Charter Act का means there is a legal document come from the what is in a British Parliament, and under which, and then first Charter Act was, I said that, in 1793. Under which who has to work? Who has to work? British East India Company. Understood? And they said that, and they have extended the power of British East India Company for the next 20 years. So this Charter Act always come for 20 years. Always come for 20 years. Understood? इसका मतलब next Charter Act will come in 1813. Understood? Shall I remove 1793 Charter Act? And during his period, we will see that it has been given, like I said, that one idea, permanent settlement. What has been given? Permanent settlement means I said that land settlement. What has been given? Land settlement. Understood? That is, I said that Jamindari system. Which one I said that? And this Governor General of India here, he is the Governor General of Bengal. He is the Governor General of Bengal. Till 1833, उससे पहले जो भी governor थे, all are what? Governor General of Bengal. And in this period, if you see, I said so it was prevailing in what is now Bengal, Western, Eastern UP, Bihar, Odisha. These are the regions where this, what is I said that Jamindari system was prevailing. What it was prevailing? And in this Jamindari system, it has been given to Jamindar. किसको दिया गया था? The land has been given, large area land has been given to Jamindar, and Jamindar has to extract, what is, and I said that? Revenue. He has to extract revenue. Permanent settlement. I said that he has to what? Extract revenue. And then it is not fixed. It is in 1/6, 1/5, half, 1/3. It was not fixed. वो जितना भी लेना था उसने ले लिया, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेसिस पे आप सपोज करो सभी लोग, आप लोग जमींदार हो, जितने ज्यादा बोली लगाई उसको मैंने दे दिया. ऐसा भी होता था इन सम ऑफ द रीजन, नॉट इन ऑल. लेकिन एक्सट्रैक्ट रेवेन्यू, और उसमें से जो मनी आता था, सपोज द मनी कम 11 रुपीज. हाउ मच कम? हाउ मच कम? तो 11 रुपीज में 1 रुपीज हैज बीन टेकन टू द होम जमींदार, and 10 rupees will be given to British East India Company के पास चला जाता है. क्या? It means 1/10 जितना भी आता था 1/10, 1/11 is taken by the Jamindar, and 10/11 was taken by whom? Yes, tell me. Britishers. इसका मतलब जमींदार को खुली छूट थी कि वो कितना एक्सप्लॉइट कर सकता है। यदि वो 22 रुपए करेगा तो जमींदार के पास क्या बचेगा? 2 रुपीज, yes or not? And if he'll do 44 rupees, then it will be 4 rupees. It means that led to the exploitation of farmers. That led to exploitation of farmers. Understood? It led to exploitation of farmers. Understood? Understood? क्लियर है? और किस एरिया में जमींदारी सिस्टम वॉज प्रिवेलिंग? यस, बंगाल, बिहार, उड़ीसा, ईस्टर्न यूपी, these are the regions there it is in a prevailing. But if I am talking about there is an also, जब मैं बाद में बताऊंगा आपको, यहाँ पर this side is in a बॉम्बे प्रेसिडेंसी, मद्रास प्रेसिडेंसी में था रैयतवाड़ी, and then in the Punjab and then eastern UP in this region there is a Mahalwari that we'll do later. Understood? लेकिन अभी हम लोग केवल गवर्नर जनरल बात कर रहे थे. I'll discuss only in the sense of what. So who has given permanent settlement? And Cornwall is he is famous for judicial reform. That is he is known as Cornwallis Code. What it is known as? Just a Napoleon Code. Napoleonism. So I said that 11. I said that, and then he is also famous for giving. I said that permanent settlement. But he has done this permanent settlement with the help of one of his assistant, Sir John Shore. किसके साथ किया था इन्होंने? Sir John Shore के साथ. He has made this permanent settlement. Understood? So with the help of Sir John Shore, he has made what? Permanent settlement. So what is the famous thing that has been happened during the Cornwallis? He administrative reform, and he